Alright, so this is my bike check. Got black and purple, but I'm trying to get rid of the stem. Gotta match my color scheme. It's a good stem though, it's a premium annihilator. I have the Primo Sam Squatch bars cut down to 27s. Animal Edwin grips. No bar-in. Got Colony headset. Not really that good. Cracked it the first day, bought it. Scavenger tunnel frame, 21-inch. Got an Animal Javelin front and back hub. They're pretty good. Front hub spins for like 10 minutes. Got an Animal Tom Whitewall front tire. I got the Animal GLH in the back. Got black DK spokes in the front and back, laced to an Animal RS rim, front and back. Got the Scavenger flat iron forks. Got two Shadow little ones pegs. For my cranks, I got Animal Akimbos. They're pretty good. They have a nice outsweep. Animal bottom bracket, 22mm. Plastic Animal pedals. They hold up pretty good. Animal wedge pivotal post with a Shadow Crow stitch seat. On this side, you got the Sprocky Balboa 25 tooth. Chain, got a regular KMC. I don't like that half link bullshit. And that's my bike check. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment.